Hey guys, here to show you some soft washing today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I use. I'm going to use 1 gallon of dish soap. This is the best one I found. We sell this. You can add this into a 5-gallon pail of bleach. Bleach is probably best obtained locally, just so you know, because it's corrosive. So they charge you more for shipping. So you see that corrosive? There's hazard fees and all that, so it's probably best to source it locally. This one is a 15%. So basically my formula is 1 gallon of this into 5 gallons of bleach. Okay. All right, so I got my coveralls on. I just want to make sure I don't destroy any more of my clothes. These are breathable, so you can probably see. They will protect me from the bleach, but they'll also make sure that it doesn't get too hot. I don't get too hot. And plus, get a size bigger than yours, or 2 sizes bigger. That way you can wear it with your clothes. I'm just doing just this area here so we can actually have something to judge it by. I'm not putting water on it. Normally I would put water on it, but I want to show you how just bleach and soap will work. So we're going to just apply it to this bottom area, the panel, and soak it pretty good. And then what we're going to do is we're not even going to clean it. We're just going to leave it. And then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like after it's done. So chemical-wise, I've only used maybe like 2 quarts at the most so far. So you can see maybe what, 30 square feet or so, or 25. And then I'll come back later today or tomorrow and show you the results without me rinsing anything out. Right? This is what it looks like after I soaked it.